Yeah, so there's just a big gust of... Ooh! I always start recording when the big gusts hit. It's like crazy. I'm gonna film this one for a bit longer to see if I can like catch more. Look at that palm tree right there. This one is our palm tree. Whoa. This is crazy. There's always like big gusts of wind. Like I missed a big one after I stopped recording the previous episode. Well, too bad, too sad, am I right? It isn't really that bad now, but who knows? At any second, it could literally just go ballistic. So I'm just gonna wait until it goes like ballistic. I'm gonna bear with you guys and stay on the video. Keep recording. That one wasn't that good. That was actually underwhelming. Okay, I'm gonna stop now, and right as a big one comes, I'm just gonna start recording. So I'm gonna post this one a bit later though.